Guys, I welcome you all to today's training session, and it's another beautiful day. And of course, after posting my results for last week, I've been getting so many messages from newbies, my subscribers, and of course they've been asking me more information about the 3M train milker indicator and how they can use it and have access to it. Okay, so I've made up my mind to share more videos on it. Okay, even though I've done some training video on this particular indicator before, I still want to do more in order for us to understand how it works and how we can take advantage of the market. Okay, so I will be dedicating, I've decided to dedicate this week for that, and of course we will be checking out different strategies on how we can take advantage of the markets using this indicator. For those of you on my Telegram channel, this shouldn't be a surprise to you because we've been using this on the Telegram channel and we've been making some cool cash for ourselves, except for those that are not having the indicator, those that might be complaining, okay, or that might be asking questions, because it's not a complaint, it's a question. Okay, they've been asking series of questions on how it works and how they can have access to it. So it shows that they don't have it. Okay, that is why they don't really understand how it works. So that is why they are asking so much questions about it and how I'm able to get to that level. Okay, we will be giving a well-detailed information about this particular indicator and how you can use it to trade successfully without any hiccups. Okay, so I will be going straight into that right away. But before doing that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos. I'll make sure you understand every strategy shared there, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you are yet to join the Telegram channel, can you do so right away? It's going to you're going to learn a lot from it. Okay, so that let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, just the way we have known the assets we are trading, the idea behind the 3M train milker indicator is the trending part of the assets we are trading. Okay, because the asset we are trading has to do with trend. It is a trend trading asset, so that is why the 3M train milker indicator is also a trend trading trading tool. Okay, that is why it is very efficient in order to give us profits. Okay, whenever we are using it, and there are different ways and methods of using it. All you just need to understand is the assets you want to trade, then of course also understand the way the indicator works. There are so many components that are there right here for the indicator, which we will be touching one after the other, and of course we will also see how we can use it to trade the assets successfully. Okay, I know a lot of questions have been coming up asking what to do and when to trade and how to go about it. First of all, let me tell you this indicator is a custom made indicator. This is how it looks on the chart. It is purely a custom made indicator. It is not just an ordinary custom made indicator. It is a licensed custom made indicator, which means once it is licensed, you have to get the license in order to use it. Okay, and the license will be configured alongside with your trading account, which means it cannot be used on any other account. That is how secure the indicator is. They did all this in order to take care of the security measures so that it it won't be able to, I mean, so that people or even the platform will not be able to break into it easily. Okay, so this will help it to keep on functioning for a very long time, and it is one beautiful thing about it. Okay, it also has the entry point in, and it has the exit point. It shows us the flag. You can see I'm just trying to introduce us to the indicator for now, and then later on we look at how we can use it to trade successfully. So you can see the arrow, the red arrow, the blue arrow. Okay, they can serve, both of them can serve as both the entry point and the exit point depending on the trend you are trading. Okay, we also have the red flag and the yellow flag. The yellow flag shows that the market is on uptrend, the red flag shows that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so quickly, let me quickly tell you this. Okay, it has an information center right here, a short information center right here that gives some signals right there. This signal that comes there is for short period, and of course we will also have an alert right here that also gives information right here, and the information it gives also here based on the current thing that is happening on the chart, so which might not be for a very long time, but if you are looking at the one that will be for a very long time, you will have to combine it with what is happening on the chart. Okay, so all those things are very, very important. Then there is one more thing I need you to know. Just like I have always tell you, this is a trend trading asset. I mean, all these assets are trend trading assets, and which means that the indicator can be used on all the assets, even currency pairs. Okay, because I use it on my own personal currency pairs accounts also. Okay, so it can be used on it. Okay, so it is a unique indicator that makes it so unique in order for you to trade with. Okay, so, and of course there is also one more thing you need to know. If you should notice from what I have been saying since morning, I kept on adding trend and trend and trend to it. Okay, because it gives you your entry point and exit point does not mean that you should pick up a trade that won't go along with the trend. If you should look at this is when the market was on uptrend. Okay, this is boom 500 and the market was on uptrend around here. Let me highlight it out so that we get to say starting from here upward to this section. Okay, is where the uptrend started from, and it is the uptrend period. And if you should see, we only have one buy arrow popping out around there, which means that you should buy around there. You can see it kept on buying and buying, no other buy arrow came out again. Okay, it kept on buying and buying. The reason is it is on uptrend. Now let's see the sell arrow that were coming out. You can see sell arrow came out right here, but it didn't go for a long period of time. It came out right here, it didn't go for a long period of time. It came out around there, it didn't go for a long period of time. It came out around there, it didn't go for a long period of time. So which means it could be risky if you are taking a signal that does not belong to the trend or that does not go alongside with the trend. Okay, the trend is on uptrend, and the signal the red arrow signal that you are seeing here is on, it's saying that you should sell at that point. Okay, it could mean two things: either you sell or probably you should exit the trade at that particular point. Okay, but because the market is on uptrend, of course it sold. If you should check it out, it sold. But in order for you not to be trapped in the market, I won't advise you to follow the sell signal at this point. Okay, the reason is the market is on uptrend. The flag is already telling you that the market is on uptrend. So why selling at that particular point? And if you should notice, it is coming up from a support zone. I've explained this to you before, that when a trend is about to start, it is either starting from the support zone or the resistance zone. Okay, if it is an uptrend, it is starting from the support zone. If it is a downtrend, then it is starting from a resistance zone. So something started from a support zone and you want to go with the sell when you already have the yellow flag showing up again, okay, and you've been given a buy signal right from there. And okay, after buying for a while, it's now giving you a red arrow. The red arrow shows that if you want to close your trade at that particular point, you can close your trade at that particular point, and it can also sell at that particular point, but it won't sell for a very long time because it is selling at a wrong trend. Okay, it is selling at a wrong trend. It is just a little pullback that should happen on a trend. Okay, that is just a little pullback. You always have a little pullback happening on a particular trend. Okay, so either it is on uptrend or downtrend, you will definitely have a little pullback. You don't expect it to be going in one direction for a very long time. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So once you understand all these, you will know when to trade and when not to trade. Okay, you can see this is the best time for you to trade. The market is coming from the resistance zone, and of course it is giving us a red flag, which means the market is on downtrend, and the best signal to trade around here is a sell signal. For those of you that don't want to trade spikes, so you trade sell here. Of course you're going to say but it spiked around there. Like I always tell you, it is a little pullback that is happening. You are within the right trend. Definitely it will go back into the trend. You can see it's later on went back into the trend and it kept on selling and selling. You can see it even sold till it got to this support zone, and I think it even broke out from that support zone. You can see it right here. It broke out from this particular support zone around here and it kept on selling. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about this. So if you follow the instruction, you will be able to milk the markets with it, but if you don't follow the instruction, you will definitely not make profits with it. So we will be looking at more on on this particular indicator, how we can use it successfully to trade the asset for a very long time. But for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. You can go back to the channel, watch my training videos again over and over, just for you to understand everything I have explained. If you're having the indicator, you can try out everything that I have explained, and you will notice that you're going to make a lot of profit with it. But if you're not having, I don't know what you will do. Probably you can ask me about it so as to know how to go alongside with it. But for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.